So good morning, campers. It's Wednesday, the 23rd, St George's Day. This is what we've woken up to. It's 11 o'clock, or about 10 past now. Mum's just walking up ahead. Let's see if I can zoom in and find her. There she is, just going outside. She's just walking up ahead to set the lock, which is nice. Had a pleasant evening here last night, very quiet. Very nice indeed it was. Sort the camera out properly. Hopefully the wind today is blowing from our right to our left. So it's going to be exciting because at the moment I'm pinned in the bank. It's going to be a short journey today, heading towards Leighton Buzzard. And already it seems like we are stuck because the wind is pushing us into the bank. So I'm going to have to reverse off of the bank by the looks of it. I can't go forward. I'm going to try to reverse out. Loads of swifts here last night and today. Blinding, quick little birds they were. We've got some slow motion footage on Mum's phone of it. Going to really struggle getting off this bank. Let's do that. Let's go that way. Get the arse hand out if we can. It's a bit shallow here where I am as well at the moment. I'm really struggling to get off the bank. Let's see if that'll help. I need to get the back far enough away from the bank so that when I'm going forward, I've got enough time to get the front of the boat back round. Plus we've got the help of this bush now. No, not getting off. Don't think I'm going to get out of here. No, back where we started. But the front is coming away. Kind of. Right, middle of the boat stuck. We are stuck on. We are hard stuck. Stuck hard. Bloody hell, that's heavy. Whoa. Going to end up in the same bloody situation. I'm going to have to try to get past these bushes on my right hand side. Get a bit of shade from the trees, from the wind. Sorry, not shade from the trees, that'd be. Don't want to turn round. And the bloody boat's turning round. As you can see, I'm proper across the canal. Thankfully, there's nothing coming either way. The wind is doing me no favours whatsoever. One can see I'm struggling now, just like she's coming back. What's the betting? By the time she gets to the boat, I'll be okay. It's a good start to the day, isn't it? Yeah, we're free, hopefully. As long as the boat starts aiming towards the other bank, I'll be fine. Yeah, we're free. Oh my gosh, that took ages. I didn't think I was going to get that done. Well, here we go. Ah. Now I'm off the bank. It's all good. Yeah, Mum's turned around now. She can see that I'm coming. That was a complete nightmare, that was. Complete nightmare. So we're now level with where we spent the night. So it could be a bit of a tricky day today. We will see. We will see. Oh. Going past the smelly cow shed on our right. Dirty clouds ahead of us. Dirty clouds behind us. There's a good chance we might get wet today. Yeah, we're stuck fast across the canal. Quite a bit there. Smell of cows. Smelly cow shed. It's where you get your milk from, people.
Oh, finally he's on his way. Been sat at the lock for ages because he couldn't get off the bank. The wind was too strong. But he's done it now. Here he comes. St George's flag flying off the back. St George's Day today.
So once I'm in this dock, I'm going to have to put the camera down because it looks a bit precarious where it is. Oh, pronunciation is going again. It looks a bit dodgy, and with the wind coming across, can't. And bad mum being on the boat. It's a bit scary. Don't want to lose the camera. Or my gimbal.
Well done.
That was terrible coming off of that. I see you walking down, I said to the camera, you watch, you'll get right up to the boat and I'll have mastered it and got off the bank. Yeah. Is that why you stopped? All right. Oh, made it. First lock of the day. Leighton Lock 31. Now I know what's going to happen. I'm going to get off, shut this gate, and the wind's going to blow the boat over the other side. You watch. No, I'll just walk over. It's all right. Right, so see you in a bit, people. Left Tesco's back there on the left hand side. We're just leaving Leighton Buzzard. Had a nice cruise from where we left off this morning after my catastrophe, getting off the bank where we spent the night. Haven't done much videoing. Well, I've done a few bits, but slow motion, which will be going up, I don't know, on other social medias. I'll probably put some of it up on here as well. I probably would have put some of it already on, so that would have been slow motion before this video. But yeah, just leaving Leighton Buzzard now. Only stopped for 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that. Just popped in Tesco's, get a few little supplies. So it's coming towards the end of my journey. I've got two more nights. It's Wednesday, so wake up tomorrow, and we're going to find somewhere to put in today. Tomorrow for tonight, early. Wake up tomorrow, and then we're going to head on down to the 3 locks. We're going to try to stop before the 3 locks so I can be picked up. And then when I drop Mike Pops back off to the boat, he can experience the 3 locks going down. He hasn't missed much behind us apart from where we stopped at the reservoir at Marston. That area is very pretty. You didn't really miss much going down the Ellsby arm. The top half of the Ellsby arm is quite nice, but the rest of it, nothing to look at really, to be honest with you. A little bit of scenery, that's about it. You didn't miss nothing at Ellsby anyway, so that's not too bad. Gonna miss this little bit of Leighton Buzzard though, this last stretch that we're going through now. But other than that, he's gonna have a nice journey back to Calcutta with Mum, which will be nice. Man hasn't stopped since we've been on board. Here comes Mum with my coffee and hot cross bun for St George's Day, which apparently isn't today, so we've just been told. Apparently the Church of England have moved it to the 28th of April. Quite strange. Although on the news this morning, they was all talking about St George's Day. No mention of it being moved. But yeah, she did show us a news article on her phone. So I don't know. Looks like we get two St George's Days today and on the 28th. Which I think is the Monday that I go back to work. So next week, next Monday. No, it can't be next Monday. I don't know. You lose track of time and day when you're out on the cow, I tell you. She did say the 28th, didn't she? What? St George's Day that the Church of England moved it to. Which is strange, but are you looking for it or? No, I'm not bothering. Sit on the news tonight. So this here is a hire company at Leighton Buzzard. All these boats moored up on the left. In a couple of weeks' time, there won't be nothing here because they'll all be out. I would imagine there were staff here just getting them all prepared and ready, spick and span, make sure they're all clean inside. Everything's all good. For their season coming up, we've got quite a few boats here, haven't they, actually, Mum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 I've counted so far. Turned out to be a nice day as well. From when we left this morning, it was very blustery. We thought it was going to be like that all day, but it hasn't. It turned out to be really nice. Is my green light flashing? Oh, it's on. Sorry, that's what I meant. Sorry. So I've counted these next 3 years, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It looks like I've got 22, possibly more, around the corner. It's 3:30. 3:30 already? See, this is what happens when you have a late start like we have the last couple of days, starting at 11 o'clock. Time just flies, 4 hours just fly by, and then you start to need to think about stopping somewhere. But we did say we're going to stop somewhere. The first pretty area we come to, we're going to stop. Hopefully it won't be under trees. Not that we need it. The market. Yeah, and there's a lock, weren't it? You came out the lock and hit that event. And there's a pub there as well, isn't there? So there might be space there actually. They might have all gone by now. We could stop there, I suppose. It looked quite nice, didn't it, as we passing. Well, I can see the lock already. Unless you want to stop at the end of this, behind this one here. Well, what, do you want to be here? I'm asking you. Not particularly, no. Right, so yeah, they've got about 25 boats in this hire company here. So we're coming up to a lock just up ahead. We might be stopping before then, we might not. So it might give me a thumbs up, so soon the best. Right, got ya. So I think I'll leave it here for the time being, and we'll catch you again soon. Good tips. There's Mum, just sorting out the lock. Little workhorse, which is, oh. think she's a little bit sad that I'm getting off the boat soon. She's going to miss her baby. Yeah, look how pretty it is here. Let me take the zoom off quickly. Very nice, along here, as you can see. Especially when the sun's out, makes it look so much prettier. Wouldn't you agree? Look at it. Oh, and there's a lovely St George's flag flying in the blustery wind. Ducks have come alongside looking for payment. And up there, they're not going to get no payment from us today. Oh, she's dropping the paddle, means it's time to go. Time to get the boat ready, untie it. Hello. Hello. Oh, you want to come for a ride, dear? Oh, fellas, how's it going? You good? Yeah. Little border collie. I think it's a border collie. You might see it on the right in a minute. Chap walking his dog down the canal. Dog wanted to get on the boat. Apparently, he wanted to get on the boat to get to the ducks. That chap up there on the right, see him? Right, here we go. I think we've done about, this might be the 5th or 6th lock we've done today. So far, this is the nicest lock we've done in nice weather. Not that it's been bad weather, because don't get me wrong, it hasn't. This is the most sunshine we've seen all day in a continuous spell. Slow it down a little bit. Aim for the gate and then just move away from it at the last minute. Or just creep into the lock. Just like that. Typical bloody gate. Well, you all know what I do here. Put the back of the boat over there. Is the sun in your eyes? That horrible sun. Terrible, isn't it? Over we go. So Mum don't have to walk all the way around the lock. Oh, I just shut this gate. Boat's rocking because I stepped off it. Yeah, that's how much I weigh. Oh, lovely jubbly. That's that one shut. Walk up to the front. Get there before Mum, get my paddle up so I've got enough time to get back before the boat drops down. That's easy. By the time I get back, I can just step on the boat, put her in reverse, stop her from hitting the gates at the front. Just like that. That's how we do it. See you at the bottom. Looks like he's enjoying himself this evening. He didn't fall in though.
Will you still think of me?